Welcome! In this video I'm trying to make you a little bit more literate on using Bithomp and XRPScan again. So there was a screenshot on Twitter, so there was some speculation on Twitter that Binance is running testing issued currencies in combination with on the XRP ledger for their BNB. And I'm currently assuming that this is, like I said, just a jokester, just somebody who's trying to have fun. So first of all, we can see that in the domain name there's P in there. So assume somebody's just, well, yeah, like I said, having fun. The activated by Binance doesn't say anything. The activated by Binance, you get that if you withdraw from Binance. I will also do that. So let's start here. So we're going to do the exact fake, more or less, of the entire thing here. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first, I'm going to start just generating a wallet address. So I'm just going to paste it here, and here we go. So now I have a wallet. I'm just going to go into the notepad and copy the info. So you can see here the most important part with family seed. So that is with family seed. And now it's, oh, okay, fine. Okay, and now let's copy the address. So I don't need it though, but I just want to, I need it, but it's, yeah, great. XJ, I just have to check one more time. Ah, damn it, I misclicked. So that's not good. One more time. So I'm just gonna copy the family seed and import it into sum already. I think that's the safest part right now. So just copy the family seed again. It's the secret, the family seed, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna go into the sum app. So where's the sum app there? I'm gonna go to settings, accounts, and I'm gonna import a new account. All right, so family seed phrase going there. Perfect. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is whatever. I'm just going to call it just for now the label fake as BNB. Okay, right. Let's continue. So I'm going to, I've got here now the account, and I'm going to withdraw to this address with Binance. So I'm going to pause for now. So I'm going to go to my Binance account, and I'm just going to withdraw some XRP. All right, so now my account is activated, and if I have a quick look here in Bithomp, you can see that it now will also say activated by. If I have a quick look at the activated by flag, so it will show up later on, but there will be an activated by, oh, it's not even in there though. Okay, no, it's fine then. Yeah, the activated by flag will be coming later, I suppose. Alright, yeah, then let's go on here. So now I've got this account here, and now the next thing, which is easy, is, for example, setting the domain. So the only thing I would have to do is go to some community, go do an account set transaction, set the domain to whatever, it was just binance.com. And also the email, so I'm just going to use a 10-minute mail for now. 10-minute mail, which I have to use here as well. I'm going to also set the email now to that one and send settings. Confirm, right, so I'm just going to copy that. Then I can sign with the newly created account. And then you will see that the, oh, wait a second, I just have to copy now the address, so I have to open it in my emulator. Right, so I'm just going to copy that here. Alright, and then sign with this testing address. Perfect. And after doing that, so you will see that the domain flag is something anybody can set to any value you prefers, and also the email can be also set to whatever you want. And based on the email, it is showing a profile picture using Gravatar. It's a different service, but if you have a look now here, you can see that this account now was activated by Binance. The domain is binance.com. Okay, you can see it's super easy to set that. And now going on with the image, I just have to go to Gravatar. And whatever, go to Gravatar, register there, create my Gravatar, right? So then just enter something in there. Oh yeah, test user, whatever. Ah, damn it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's try test user, whatever. Okay. Oh, 8. Okay, that's fine then. Okay, cool. Nope. Then let's keep trying, maybe finding something. Okay, great. So now I've got created my account there. And awesome. Nope, I don't want to do any of that here. I just want to sign in, I guess. Okay, right. So now there's my activation email. Let's activate that account there. And it's also not interesting, but we just want to set the gravatar. So going there, so now we can just upload the gravatar, and doing so is quite simple. So right now we'll just be using this image here. So I'm just gonna go here again, go to the desktop, select this image here. Oh wow, this is so advanced stuff I'm doing right now here. Cool. And then if you have a look, so afterwards I'm going to delete everything obviously, but if you now have a look here on the website, and so it usually just takes a few. Oh my bad, I have to go to gravatar. Yep, yeah, I'm gonna select that one here. Oh no, it's fine. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, then apparently no, it should be fine already. So it just takes a few seconds until it loads the new image I've just set here. Yeah, it just takes a short while, so maybe it's cached for now. Now we did also that. So now let's go to the third part. So we can see here there's something set. So the destination tag is required, rippling is enabled. It's also very hard. So let's start with the destination tag part. So just click on default ripple and also click on, yeah, okay, now let's do both. Require destination tag, so I have to do it separately. So now I'm going to assign that again. Just go into my emulator again and sign that. There's my emulator. There's a sign request right now, just signing that. It's very simple. Right. And after doing that, okay, it's loading. Perfect. All right, and then I can also afterwards set default ripple. So again, so now there's the default ripple flag. Perfect. So I have to sign it a second time. So not a second time, but I have to sign this transaction here as well. And so it just takes a short while again. Perfect. Then you can see right now that it looks already like this. So like I said, the picture, it's going to take a short while. So you're going to use them. It's very simple. You just click on it. It's something internal here. You can select whatever you want, more or less. So you can just enter whatever BSC via smart chain, and you have to pay whatever, like if you, what was it? You have to pay 10 XRP as fee for setting that internal username. So it's not spammed. But like I said, so one set the username because it's not important. But yeah, now you can see that it's the Binance picture. You can see, oh my bad, at the wrong, was it the wrong one? Okay, now you can still see the username is whatever. So the name is whatever test age. So you could have put in there anything I'd like to. So here's the name Binance. So you could also register a user called Binance whatever, Binance second or whatever. You can see the destination tag is enabled, rippling is enabled. Then now you can see this activated by Binance, which doesn't mean anything. Now you can also quickly issue BNB. So right now prepare the script. So I'm just gonna run my script here, and this is also gonna issue quote unquote BNB, which it is not. Just gonna take a short while. Hopefully I didn't screw up the script. Okay, yeah, it's loading. In the meantime, we can still see maybe if the image already updated. Okay, stuff is already happening here. And perfect. Now let's try again. Now you can see here I issued 100 BNB. So now it looks like, oh yeah, this is definitely Binance, whatever. So you can see here I issued it to my XRPDev account. Like I said, this is not BNB. I just called it that. You can call it anything you like to. It's just an issued currency. You can call the token whatever you like to. And now you can also see that the image is in there. So now I more or less perfectly recreated that. So you can see here that all the flags on the previous one, on this one here. So the only difference here is that the username Binance was not taken yet on the Gravatar website. So that's why it's saying Binance here. So you've got Gravatar as a service which they are offering, and right now my username is tester age. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can just also, can just enter it here. Yep, maybe this one's gonna be pulled here. Let's see. Yep, now the name Binance is also in there. So it doesn't even matter on that, it's just on Gravatar which name you set. So now it's also saying here Binance, now it's saying it on the domain Binance.com, the destination tag is required, rippling is enabled, it's activated by Binance, like I said, because I withdrew from Binance to activate this account. And now you can see also that I issued 100 BNB, and now you can let the speculation run wild. So like I said, it's very simple to achieve that. Please don't believe anything on the SOP. Please don't believe any of these flags so that it means anything. The only thing how you can know for sure is if Binance makes an announcement. And other than that, you can know, because anybody can set all these fields, set any image they want to, and yeah, that's how it works. And so just trying to highlight it here, and yeah, that's basically it. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.